Good evening, Philippines. Today is Thursday, July 2nd. And before, let me increase the volume. Okay, so it's Thursday, July 2nd. And before I begin, let me start off with a usual disclaimer. Any comments made during this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congresso system. Any past performance of DTA's Congresso system is not indicative of future results. I must emphasize that I am neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader like everyone else. Once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So that said, the economic calendar was actually busy. Look at this. There's a lot of reports that were released at 8:30. Hence, you'll see the big uptick to the markets. And then I just waited to see what was going to be said regarding President Trump. He spoke about the numbers here, the employment numbers, non-employment numbers, and so forth. He gave great praise about it and so forth. So the market is really just going nowhere right now. If you look at here is the hold on. So this is the macro chart, and I just wanted to see this. So here's the report that came out at 8:30. Look at this. See this big move right there? That whole big move, and from that point on, now we're just riding basically the one deviation and trying to see is about to break down, test this down here, but we'll see when that's going to take. Right now it's just going up and down right here. So that's the macro account or macro view. Now in terms of what we're looking at, the Congresso chart, this is what we're looking at right now. So this is what I'm saying. We got really just ranging, grindy. We'll see what we can do with that. So trading 6 contracts, my goal is maybe 600. So we'll see what goes with this. If it's going to come back down here to right here. Let's look at the other chart right here. This is what I was looking at. Okay, this is what I would rather look at. It's just newly formed. Okay, yeah, this is going down here. Most likely it's going to get down here. Okay, so this is already formed quite well. So I'm going to trade out of this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in mute, and I will talk to you guys later. So I think I should be done for the day. It's 676. Our goal is 600. That's already net, I believe. 700 gross, 676 net. So on it for today. I don't want to be over trading, so that's my goal is 600. Again, I'm doing this. You saw my recording last night. I blew my my evaluation, not knowing that my stop loss was less than 3,000. So now I just had to take it. I have a different approach. Just had to do some tweaking. So now we're back here at 676. I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to risk anything. My goal is to at least make 600, because if we can do that within 10 days, I should be able to get my my goal of $6,000 profit. So we'll see if we can see what happens here. I may do if I see an opportunity, but I think I'm done for the day. Right now, I can tell you right now here, we're below. If you look at this, we're now below the VWAP of the intraday, right? Let me see if I can do this right here. Here's the VWAP intraday. Here is the VWAP of the 24-hour. So now there's a big gap in between. So this might try to meet down here, right? That's what it looks like. We have strong momentum to the downside. And if you look at the macro count, right, or macro chart, look at this. That's where it's going down. It's down to around here. We're looking at the retrace level, maybe going down. Yeah, I don't see. We'll see how far this is going to be going. We may even go all the way down here. Okay, so it's going to go test this VWAP, probably around here or even down here. We'll see what happens, and if there's going to be a valid trade. So, but in the time being, I should be done for the day. I don't want to be risking anything. I have my trading plan, right? So anyways, I'll put this, I'll end it now, and I'll show you my results just in case you guys see it. So you know, again, this is with the Lilu trading. As you can see here, this one, the second account. Starting off with 100,000, I made net is 676. Then you can see down here, gross was 700, commission 23, and net profit is 676. So that I am done for the day. I'll talk to you guys. Tomorrow's a holiday. I won't be trading. I'll see how the overnight hours look, but I'll talk to you guys on Monday. Okay. I know those in the States, they'll be celebrating their 4th of July. In fact, tomorrow's going to be their holiday. And the 4th of July is actually on Saturday, but the bank holiday is on tomorrow. That's why the markets will be closed tomorrow. So you all have an enjoyable, safe weekend. God bless. Stay safe. Okay? Bye-bye.